In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your QR code in Microsoft Word in a very simple way, step by step. To create a QR code, we first need to activate the developer tab. If you don't have it, go to File, then go to Options. After that, click on Customize Ribbon. Now find the developer tab and tick the checkbox to activate it. Once it's activated, click on OK. Now click on the developer tab, go to Add-ins, then click on Store. In the search bar, in the search bar, type QR for Office, search for it and click Add to install it. So you search for it here, enter, and it will appear here. So add it, continue. Here you can see a preview of the QR code. Now you can type your website or link here. For example, I'm going to copy this information here. I'm going to copy it. Select all, Ctrl+C, and then paste it here. So you can see that it will generate a QR code for this information here. So in case you scan it, it will send you to a PDF so that you can open it here, or any app that you have to open this, something like this, it will open it for you. Now I'm going to use my YouTube channel link also for example, so I'll copy and paste it here, and you can see it will generate a QR code for my YouTube channel link page. So you can see it will generate it for me. And you can also increase the size. You can increase the size here. You can change the color. You can also change the background. So let's go back to the white and black. So you can insert it here. After that, you can save it on how you want to save it. You can save it as a PDF, document, a picture, anyhow you want to save it. So you can use it for your project. Please like and subscribe to support me. The only thing that motivates me is when I see a new subscriber. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.